Here we're asked which point lies on the graph of the equation. So let's imagine this is the graph of this equation. What this represents is a series of points with XY coordinates. And each of these points represents a solution to that equation. So one of these points, A, B, C, or D, are on this purple line. The other points are out here. They are not on the line. So what we can do is pick one of these points. We're going to go through each of these options. So if we look at option A, this is saying x is 0, y is 8. We're going to substitute those into the equation and see if it's true. After substituting in, we're going to simplify each side and see if we get the same answer on both sides. Now, 3/4 times 0 is 0, so this is the same as 0 minus 8. And 0 minus 8 is negative 8. So 8 does not equal negative 8, so that is not true. Let's try another one. So with option C, I substituted 4 in for x and negative 5 in for y. So if we multiply this, I can use a calculator, or if I do 3/4 times 4, that's the same as 3/4 times 4 over 1. And then you multiply across, and you get 12 over 4, which is the same as 3. So this is negative 5 equals 3 minus 8. And if we simplify further, 3 minus 8 is negative 5. So we end up with this statement, which is true. Negative 5 does equal negative 5, so our answer is C. The other way you can do it is to actually go to the calculator, the graphing calculator, and graph the equation in each of the points and see which of the points lands on the graph. So let's do that. When you're taking the state test, just click on calculator and this is what you'll see. So you might need to scroll down in the bottom left corner. You can click to show the keypad and first enter in the equation. And then you can click on the graph. You can move it around like a piece of paper. You can zoom out to get a better picture of it. Now let's enter in each of the points. So if you click the plus to add an item, you just select expression and then you enter in the point. And notice there's a dot there on the y-axis at 8, and it's showing us that this point is the blue dot. So let's do the plus, add another expression to add the next point. After we enter in all the points, we can click and see there's only one point that is on the graph. If we zoom in, we can see it's that purple dot, which confirms what we knew from solving it algebraically, that the point 4, negative 5 is the solution to this equation.